Alright, today I got a VX-5R with issue with the power button. So there's no battery. Took it out. And I'm going to plug in 12-volt power. Pressing, nothing happens. So there we go. So here's how to fix it. There's 6 case screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to remove those. I have the 6 screws removed, and so I'm going to flip this over. And there's a ribbon cable underneath here, so you're going to be very careful. You're going to lift it up and turn it around. And you're going to unlatch this connector, and you're going to pull it off. Take the seal, and I'm just going to put that off to the side. And now I've got this, the front. We're going to take off these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's the 4 screws off. Gonna flip it over, and you can see the chiclet keyboard, membrane keyboard, and so this button wore out. It's possible these are all worn out as well. So I want to make sure. I know Yaesu does not have that membrane keyboard anymore. I called them last year, and they told me they don't have any. So I'm going to take a Q-tip, use my alcohol dispenser, and I'm going to clean the power button. Here we go. There we go. Might as well clean these as well while I'm here. Okay. I'm going to let that dry. It's almost dry. There we go. Now it's dry. So I've got these replacement contacts, and so there's a non-sticky side, and then underneath there's the conductive black rubber, and then there's a little sticky part. So I'm going to remove the adhesive tape. It's kind of hard to get off. I'm going to use this razor blade to help. There we go. So I've taken the little piece of tape cover off, and very carefully I'm just gonna put it over the power button. You can see it's completely covering it. Just gonna use this to move that around. gently press it down. Right, and then so now we got to put it back on the front cover. Place it face down. It's gonna be a little wobbly, but once you press it down, it'll be fine. Take the 4 steel or color screws, and it's gonna tighten it down. Okay. Press that down. So now we're going to put the front face back on the radio. There's this seal. You want to put the seal on here first because there's a groove for it to fit into. And then we're going to take the main part of the radio and fold that back open. Carefully put the flat flex back in. You want it to seat properly. So it's going to go in most of the way. When you close it, you shouldn't be able to see any of the white tape part of the flat flex. Put it back down like that. This falls off the battery latch. Just crack the case open, put it in there, and then just keep it closed. All right, I'm just going to put back a few of the screws to test. One, 2. And I'll just put them all back in. There we go. Now they're all back in. Plug my power back in. Turns on, turns off. And some of these other buttons are okay still.